Lepi baro syakitup Khubor ke Donbosco Media Network di mat bakong Samla ke sini Shillong. Da ke jingkel khu yaki kali bebunjat lapan long haparish kumsning. Kakamram ke sorkar kalong menyeda ya baro akibat ba ke Jylla ong Menteri Rangba ukon rat ke Samla. Dawa ke HANM ban penshitom yaki nong penyap ya udel seng Samla. But peluk kakam rabu tiar sports Meghalaya Engineering College. Bat tu menta minyapai syaki Khubor ki babnya. Ka Church of Mary the Mother of God umsning parish hakas ngipale kala penlong ya ka jingkir khu ya ki kali. Bakin thop naduk ki kali kamai kali private bat ki kali arshaka hamadan football jong ka parish. Hakani kesngi las dang deki program Kyllalyngkot hakaba ladan lang uparish priest Reverend Father Pius Chadap, Assistant Parish Priest Reverend Father Edward Sten, kinongkit kam ke Parish Pastoral Council bakin top ya Secretary ba Niki A Khar Thangmau, Assistant Secretary ba Martin, ki sister ba brother jongkani ke parish. Haba ajing tuan hakani kesngi Reverend Father Edward Sten uloong kajing temu ke parish ban penlong yakum kini ki program kirku kali kalong ban aingu ya ublay la kalong hakinu kinu ki benta kum ki kun Kristan ban kin mau ningkong ya ublay. Father Edward uloong ru lada ublay the ki jingkirku tharai ban yo thiet yakini ki kali ki jaka bat puta bat ki we ki jingdan kam. Kani ka program kalong ru ban yo ki jingeda na ublay ha kelinti ki bekilet ban kamai nilet jinglen. Bat hadian ka program ka Kyllalyngkot bat jingdwai lasdang ya ka jingker khu ya ki kali ki belapin yang saudong kamadan na kiling do soblay Father Pius Chadap bat Father Edward Sten. Layo ru ya ka jingkren na Secretary ka Parish Pastoral Council uba Niki A Khar Thangmau ubelapin ken mau ya ki jingker khu jingyada habapin dan kam ya ki kali manlakasngi.
Kadon sauteli ki syaka don kabadon arteli ki syaka akum kaskuti ka bai kahaban yai na kendeu te haba ka yai na kendeu ki don ki speed brigger ki don ki tliu bat kum ta terter ki don ki mau teng kum yu yau mau teng kum yu ka tliu ur hab kelon nang ta teng lada kadai ke tliu ka bahe ken ki spring ru bat accident ru te ban lai na kita te tang ki angel ki bom don kamet ku mengi ki bala ban pelai yangi na kita ki ai baro te ka percai baro kawai har kasngi arteri ku brai Oktober kareke syapang kumno kine ki angel ki ada yangi kam tamu angel nong yada guardian angel yang de kapareng telada pipule hakakam de ki apostol kalenong ka bapra de korba ar phon riu hadu saupeu ka kren chepangu Philip baduto yunok napo Ethiopia kibaya ilenti te halenti uto yunok uang ya Philip ngakwano ka baptisma kipen senge ka kali ka jongki nang ta sa ay baptisma nang ta ki syong biang hakakali banlay siya kajaka baki kwa banlay ki poisuk poisang namar bala kerkhu ya kata kali lengba ki jerksiar jerupa jong ka baptisma ka lapendon kama bangi yai baptisma ka ni pedon kama ba kerkhu kini ki kali tede namar kata kadau ko hammen ko para ngiwan menta kasigi kasigi ka bakarpang balabuhi na kane kasinat niam Maria ka kami jong belai parisium sning ban kerkhu ya ki kali ki motor jungi namar ngilasang ban kiwa ki bon kiliang tengim tip kan jayu ka kali ka jungi
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ukon rat ke Sangma ulayathu hakilat pathai Khubor hakakat santrik Kyllalyngkot hadian kat tu kat nisngi baka sengkai klau ke balatip kum ke Trap National Liberation Council HNLC kala berngem ban shim yaki jaka jingem jong uba Arden Miller Besaimat MLA bat kum juru uba Tony Winston Lingdo CEM KHADC da ka baong kum kini ki jing berngem Kim Long Satya ki basyong nongrim bat omla Satya ban pedang yakum kini ki jing berngem Menteri Rangba ulo ongru baka kamram hi jong ka sarkar kalong banyada ya ki jing im jong baro ki pat ba nong shong shnong ka Jylla ki pat ba ki don ka hok ban im ha ka jing shngan la ki long ki nong mi khmat pat ba ni ki nong shong shnong na ka jing berngem jong ka nu ka kan huan ka bala khen bi an halor ka shong suk shong san ha ki than khaput ka Meghalaya bat kiri Bangladesh umentri rang ba ka Jylla konrat ki sangma ulo angru ba ka long ka bade e ya ka sarkar Jylla ban kren e ka shngan ni kam shngan na markade ka kamram jong ka sarkar India Henry ulo ongpat ka kamram jong ka sarkar Jylla jong ka Jylla Kishipai BSF bat kiwe pat ki state bat central agency ban pet perman bha halor ka shong suk shong san ha ka leng ki than khaput ka Meghalaya bat kiri Bangladesh.
And it doesn't matter who the person is, if it's an elected representative or it's a common man, if it's a business person. I think that threat taken given to anybody is something that is not acceptable by the government. And obviously we work towards ensuring that the safety and security of all our people is there. As I said, it's not the question of whether a person is an elected member, a VIP or a common man. For us, every single life and every citizen is important. So obviously from our side, we take every step to ensure that proper safety and security is given to all our people. To examine that aspect, because there are again plus minus the reasons why they had not wanted to continue in the past, and of course we have to get Government of India on board. So these kind of things are not like we can just start something today and stop tomorrow. There's a process, and there's so many stakeholders involved. There's a lot of machinery that's involved, a lot of preparations to be done, and hence it's not at my level for me to comment on that, because the Government of India and others are involved in it. But as a state, I can tell you that all steps are being taken. The government of Meghalaya, the BSF, and all the agencies are very alert. As you recall, even on the 24th, I did not give a press release on that because I thought it was internal security matter, so I did not have a press release. But all the different agencies, we all sat together on the 24th of December. BSF was there, IB was there, and others were there, and we discussed the security matter at the border. This, as I said, was on 24th of December, Christmas Eve. So I took out time on that day also to have this review meeting because it was very important. And we've been continuously monitoring the borders. So therefore, as of now, we have seen that there is nothing major to be concerned about, but obviously we have to be very, very, very alert, and we have to be prepared in every possible way, and that's what we're doing. Apart from that,
Halor ka jing shapen ya pudil sing em sangma haki khemdiat sngi balala haki riu runar kalapan long ya ka hinyo trap Achik National Movement HANM haka khat santarik ban mi shakhamat ban pinrem jur halor ka te ka jing shali dusman jong udil sing habakren ru shakilat pathai Khubor ujon sangma unong aiktien ka HANM sengmi uloong baka seng kadawana ka sarkar ban pinshitom bat bishar hok kat kum ka an ya baro ki bedanti ban shim ya ka jing im jong udil seng em sangma.
And after that, when they are coming back from their spot, that village, that some unknown person has waited in the roadside, and they attack to that entire groups. Some of them, they have run and they saved their life, and few of them, they cannot run from that spots. Due to that accident, that Mr. Dilsing M. Sangma, he lost his life. Today we condemn this accident, and those who have involved in these crimes, we demand that state government must punish according to law and brought to them and give Dilsing M. Sangma the justice. So we on behalf of HNM, New Tribe Achik National Movement Central Body, we strongly and unequivocally condemn the brutal killings of late Dilsing M. Sangma. A respected NGO leaders who was murdered by unknown person. This heinous and inhuman act has shocked our conscience and is a grave attack on the values of humanity, peace and social justice. Late Dilseng M. Sangma was a committed social worker who dedicated his life to the welfare of the peoples and upliftment of society. His untimely and violent death is an irreparable loss not only to his family and organization but also to the entire.
Haka step khat santarik Kyllalyngkot arhajar arpundrio kawe ka kamra basalor jong ka Maulai Engineering College ka badan haka dong kintan masar kala kemding bat plu buk. Haka ni ka kamra labu ya kitar ya lekai kini ka Engineering College kadan ha atat ka Maulai Polytechnic. Kat kum kita long Khubor belayo alum layat hu bakani ka jingplu ding kala ja haka por kumba hinyo baji ai minstem. Bat kawe ka kamra basalor babu tiar sports ka sarkar Jylla baro kitar ki badan hakani ka kamra Kyllalyngkot khat. Nakalyang jeng ki bor penlip ding marsinyo jingtip yakani ka jingja kilawan ban penlip yakading. Bat tat hadu belayo yakani ka Khubor om shemdan kanu ka jingja bas ngosi yakimin simbrio. Bat ki pulet kidang tokit ban shem yakadaw tenrai nang no ka ding kalastang hakani ka kamra. Bat lasu baru baka ding kala aban sedang nakajing thot ke ding elektrik.
Bayok ha lah ini, bayok ha, yang tu tolak karakter kalau you. Dia dengan ni elektrik ni wayar, right? Yang step kumut. Itu pun yang mana bukan hal yang orang lihat sebadan deh. Orang cakap malu terima ni income. Itu ni. Bong. Siti.
Kabalang Presbyterian Ribhai Presbyterian Synod CE Union kalapan kre syat nakabenta ka jinyaseng kabanlong ha urempang arhajar arpundrio ha kabalang Presbyterian kebet nombri. Uba Meral Bonds MLA ringkat ki opisar katanat PWD kilalet banjurup yakasurok ban poi syakasnong kebet nombri kanang bakalet kawan jongki pat ba kan long kabasuk pasan bat kabayat bet yai renti. Hakajingelang balingkot hadin bala jurup UMLA ula IT live hoteli ki solar light syak dorbar shnong ban pinsya yakasnong bat yakilenti singkin. Hakajingkren ru hakani kajingelang uba Meral Bonds ulapan pau yakajingkemen ban yoi baki kam kilanang dep bat ula ongru kumba ula kular ya kasurok rong syakani kasnong bat kiwe kajingpen kre day ban dep shwaban long kani kajingeseng. Kumju ru uba Meral Bond ula kentu ya kakenro ya kamadan day ban pendep no wud kanang bakajingeseng kan long kabeitenan. Ulapen pauru ia kajing sngongu ia kinong yalam shnong, bat kinong syarai balang ki balatrei lakakam klem sange nakabenta kani kakam kabakraw. Ban pidyang ia kajing seng. Namar ladakam dehi kajing trei lang nakashnong bat kum juru na kinong syarai balang kum UMLA unumla bantau perthei marwehi.
Bun berer la ngosa budi berkarong la komno hapo ni Januari la dep ya ka rong budi bersiang kum juru ya kani ka kenro ka bah Hamadan jong tri ka kam ka bakhia ba ya ka ba la pendep ha ka por ka balungkot bat bayang ti kenro mala sutu ni lawan pej mene menegengin kan ka kenro komala ban sutu Hadin beladap berkendrok mula jo iban pun level ci dengan sa atau pergi pat penggait bahar pun kendun mar apa majidek kendrok la kani geliang bahe terus nak kelong banang ngaliang piludi dengan apa ai kan lain aga bede bijin penggait juga senong menela jo iban keren bada kani geliang barang isliang kan aga ban sayo ban pendem ya ketu opo ini disegi na konta makan wandur kan itenat Bagi pen level bahaya Ramadan, bagi pen baik mana, bau nong sini pandal lak nong haji niau praterik lah sedang pen sini, tinggal hap pen pendep haswa dengan dah, haswa dengan peran niau praterik Februari kemudian asyik dep cirul pen baik kita Ramadan pen wandur, dan pen suk pen bu isuki kita mulai kenuan dengan putra rumahnya, nak pen le egelenti ki ba hamhe namar baga cekarung hati Hamadan malah kendrok sodong gumtu je thop sut la duna nama kata ci penhe tiluti gupsut tiluti omar la din gani omar la kmat gupsut buru kambe benduna ya ka bau mene arko arpusan put sir ka duna gani ga ki mau step ki bandrung buru arpusan la ko put di penhe ba kadang loki bai ba gupsut ki la ne ba mut ki la ni lumbur bare Ngapa ia tahu mujur, mungkin rok lah hek, aku hening yang madan. Jadi sekali kawan kiri menong kelut bahar, aku tak ada kejing yak juga kam leyo ban. Tadi kejing cemu, abang Iwan mentera kesini poka, senang kejung ini.
Kajing temu jong ke sarkar Jylla ban besuk katu kat ni kikenduan batamai haka Immigration and Foreigners Act. Arpau arpusan kebanyaringkat bor bat ke Inline Permit ILP, kalapan long ya ka Hinyotrep Youth Development Council HYDC haka khatsan tarik Kyllalyngkot ban ong. Omdon ki wei pat ki an ki banyaringkat bor bat ka ILP. Haka jingekren bat u President Jong Kaseng uba Raiwan Sotun uloong ki pat ba ka Jylla Meghalaya ki kwa ya ka ILP laslamba. Henry haduk menta ka jing ang nuot jong ki kampat urlong. Wat hadien beladap pan pasru daga resolution. Nalor kata uloong, ya kani kamat la debru ban kular da menteri katanat ki kampo yang ke sarkar India ban sepin urlong shen. Henry haduk menta kampat syam la urlong. Ula bu ru ke jingkintu ya ke sarkar India bat Meghalaya banum keren kelanshu ya kani kakam Henry deben pin urlong no.
Jylla bigi ejungi kila terang nak duk kisnem komprehensif from decades ago. Kila terang banjo dia kata inline permit ban menteri kam ni apo state Meghalaya. Hak bide bat keneka Immigration of Foreigners Act 2025 ngancuk keren kot kalian. Bakaneka an kalong betik kumboong parent wong ba new wine in an old bottle. Lani old wine in a new bottle. Kadai jingdi kabla pentemai ha botol batamai. Hari jingdi kadai barimi. Nak kata-kata apa ni ke Immigration of Foreigners Act 2025. Kadai an ulalim ke bakuntuk ya ka Passport Entry into India Act 1920. Ke Registration of Foreigners Act 1939. Ke Foreigners Act 1946. But ke Immigration Career Liability Act 2000. Yakni ki an bro sautuli lawara lang batla klop lang yaki bansna yaka Immigration of Foreigners Act 2025 ka jingkeli mata kalongba la kat tu pusnam kini sautuli ki an kiladon andre omla ban wen bat ban penduna yaki influx kebawan hapo state Meghalaya Mantala syupen temai yakini ki South Ligi A. Balak klop no haka Immigration of Foreigners Act 2025. Hatu kan lahi ban penduna ban weng no yaki influx ki badon no po Jylla Meghalaya. Kata kadai ke jingkeli kabangi kwa ban pak syak sorka. Namar bakat kum ke jingtrang bak jingkwa jung dinong song snong jog state Meghalaya hai Kyllalyngkot dak pasai. Bangi don kam ban penterkam po state Meghalaya. Ya ka Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873 kepada kawe ka an kepala ban jada
Kitu mentan Kyllalyngkot Khubor ki Bawan Shapi na ka Don Bosco Media Network.